Welcome to the X Series mower. We're going to show you very quickly how to assemble the upper handle. When you receive your lawnmower, you'll notice that the upper handle is not attached to the chassis, but thankfully it's a very simple process and requires very little tools or effort to achieve. To start off, we're going to need a ratchet, a 2/3 inch or 17mm spanner, a 1/2 inch or 13mm spanner, of course the attachments, and nuts and bolts will be in the box with the mower. Okay. The first part of the process is you want to stand behind your lawnmower and take the upper handle and place it in between the lower handle pieces like that, using the long bolt that you will have received with your mower. Slide that through and fix it on with the nut on the other side. Using our wrench and our spanner, we're going to loosely fasten these nuts so that the handle can still move freely but is locked into position. Once we have the upper handle loosely secured into position, we are going to take the shorter of the bolts from the back side through there, and then ensuring that the thick side of the logo plate is at the bottom. Then we'll take the first of our dome nuts and secure the bottom end. This will ensure that the upper handle will not swing out of the way, and will give you freedom to attach the dome nut on the top end of the logo plate. Now that we've got everything loosely assembled, you can use your ratchets and spanners to go ahead and tighten everything up, taking precaution not to scratch the logo plate as you tighten up these two dome nuts.